Now we'll take a look at percentages. You've got to be very careful around percentages because they give you a problem like this. So they'll say, what's 1/4% of 500? Well, you just go 0.25 of 500 is 125. Nope. You misread that as 1/4, not 1/4%. That's actually 1/4 of 1%. So in decimals, it's 0.25%. Removing the percentage sign, it's 0.0025. So we want 0.0025 of 500, which is 1.25. Big difference. Be careful around percentages. They love to trap you around those. Just when you see a percentage sign, look very carefully at what you're looking for. Now, dealing with percentage change or change in percents, where you're manipulating percentages, you're going to have to look at this a little bit differently on the SAT than you're used to doing it on tests at school. You need to learn to work with percentages in decimals and to do your work on the percentage side. Rather than finding out what 25% of $400 is and then subtracting it, you want to learn to work on the percentage side. We'll show you why in a second. The key to attacking these problems is realizing you start with 100%. Your starting price is simply 100% of whatever it is. We represent that as 1.00. So if we're reducing the price 25%, we subtract 0.25 from 100%, 1.00. That gives us 0.75. We're looking for 75% of the price. Flip side, if we're increasing the price 25%, you're adding 25% to the price, so we add 0.25 to 1.00, and that gives us 1.25 of the price. We want 125% of the price. I realize you may be saying to yourself, well, why do I need to learn to do it this way? I'm comfortable doing it the other way. Well, there's a good reason. And the good reason is a problem like this. A car manufacturer increased the price of a car 30% in 1980 from its original price in 1975. If they increased the price 50% in 1985, how much did they increase the price in the 10 years? This is why you have to work on the percentage side. They don't give you a starting price here. You've got to do all your work on the percentage side. But since you know how to do it, it's pretty easy to do. Okay, they didn't give us a starting price, but that doesn't bother us because we know whatever it is, it's 100% of the original price. So we put down 100%, which is 1.00. Now we're going to increase the price 30%. So we want a 30% addition to that 1.00. So adding 0.3 to 1.00, we get 1.30, 130% of the price. Now if we multiply that by 100%, that's pretty easy multiplication. It gives us a new price of 1.30. And this is where it gets pretty tricky, because now they're going to have you do a second increase. We want a 50% increase to that new price of 1.30. A 50% increase, again, we add 0.50, 50%, to the 1.00 because we want 150% of this new price. Multiplying 1.50 times 1.3, we get our new price, which is now 1.95, 195% of that original price. But they're not through with you yet, because notice you have D and E as answer choices. Remember, they're looking for the total increase, and most of the time on this test, that's what they want, the total increase. So you're going to have to subtract the original 100% price out. We started at 100% of the price, we're now at 195% of the price. That's a 95% increase. So the correct answer is D.